The very first thing you need to understand about when working with permissions is ownership. So let's try to understand ownership. To determine which permissions a user has, Linux uses ownership. Every file has a user owner, a group owner, and the others entity that's also granted permissions. We call that UGO. And as you can imagine, UGO stands for user, group, and other. Linux permissions are not additive. And that means that if you are the owner, permissions are applied and that's all. To be more specific, when you try to access a file, Linux is checking, are you the owner? In case you are the owner, permissions are applied and it looks no further. If you are not the user owner, it will continue and it will check, are you the group owner? If so, permissions are applied and it looks no further. And if you are neither user nor group owner, you are others. And you will get the permissions assigned to others. To see current ownership and associated permissions, you can use ls-l. And this is what it looks like. So in here we can see an ls-l. And in the result we can see two directories. The directories are ls and anna. This is taken from the directory /home. So this is about user home directories. We can see the directory name all the way to the end. Somewhere near the middle of the line you can see ls for directory ls. Now what is that? That is the user owner and group owner. So the first ls is the user, the second owner is the group. And near the beginning you can see the permissions that are set. The line starts with a D, that indicates that this is a directory, so that's not a permission, it's a file type, and then we get RWX. That is the permissions that are applied to the user owner. So user Alex has read, write and execute permissions. Then we have --, which is the group permissions, and --, which is the others permissions. So only the user owner has permissions and nobody else has any business in the home directories of users, ls and anna.